found peace in your eyes. I've been quiet for too long.
Today I was fixing the problem with my BMW e63, which is accumulating all the water behind the driver's seat. As you can see here, it is still a little bit wet, so I'm trying to collect all the water, and the problem is coming. I'll show you now from where the problem is. So in the both sides under the air filters you have a drain hole over here, so you can see here, that's the headlight. So you just go over here, there is a drain hole. Make sure that you apply a lot of pressure with the water, and then you're gonna fix the water accumulating. Not only that, let me show you down. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn the flashlight. Let me try to record a little bit better for you. This is a little bit hard to see. Okay, I'm trying to zoom. Okay, as you can see there, I'm gonna take a stick and go through it. You need to make sure that hole is free. You need to make sure that hole is free. I'm gonna just now take the stick and point you guys where exactly that hole is. So let me just go down with the stick. There. See how it's opening? That's the water drain as well. Make sure you apply a lot of pressure there as well, because it's gonna be garbage inside, and if the water is accumulating is in this tank over here, it will go through this part. It will go through that circle part in your car, so through that part over there. Okay guys, same like on the right side, you have one water. I already cleaned mine, but you have also here on left side. But I didn't have problem with the water coming accumulated on the left side. I just had a problem with the right side. So now that should solve the problem. Let me show you now. When I put the water in, the water is gonna go now through under the car. So I'm gonna now take the hose. Let's open a little bit water. Okay, the hose is on, and the water is now coming down, as you can see. So now it's clean. The same thing when you put it in this hole, the water needs to be dripping down. If it's not dripping, you didn't fix anything. So make sure that you fix it. Final test. We are releasing a lot of water up in the driver's windshield and then down. As you can see, there is a lot of water dripping exactly in the place where it needs to drip. Okay, that will be it for today. Today's video was fixing leak in the car on BMW e63. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like my video.